How to study faster. 6 easy psychology hacks to study more faster. 1. Study for 20 to 25 minutes, take short breaks of 1 to 5 minutes, and then repeat. This is called the Pomodoro technique. Our brain remembers information better in small bursts. 2. Try to explain and teach the information to another person. This will help you understand the information better because you will concentrate on the important stuff. 3. Go to sleep right after you're done studying. This will help improve your memory of what you just learned. 4. Utilize mnemonic devices. These are memory aids that transform new complex information into familiar associations. For example, to remember a list of items, create an acronym or a story that involves each item. This way, the information becomes easier to recall. 5. Change up your study environment. Research has shown that varying your study locations can boost retention. 6. Incorporate multisensory learning. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.